A violent storm raged across the sea. Waves crashed against the cliffs, and the sky roared with thunder. But then, something strange happened. For 7 days every winter, the sea became perfectly calm. 7 days of peace in the middle of chaos. The ancient Greeks called them the Halcyon days.
Before we continue, here's a small challenge. There are 2 mistakes hidden in this story. Listen carefully. If you notice them, write them in the comments. Let's begin.
Long ago lived a queen named Halcyone and her husband, King Ceyx. Their kingdom was peaceful and prosperous. Their lives were filled with serenity. Serenity means a deep feeling of calm and peacefulness. But peace does not last forever. One day, Ceyx sailed across the sea to seek guidance from the gods. Soon, the sky darkened. A terrible tempest rose. Dark clouds swallowed the horizon, and towering waves destroyed his ship. The villagers discussed about the tragedy, but Ceyx never returned back to his kingdom. Back in the palace, Halcyone waited. Day after day, she stood by the sea, hoping the waves would return her husband. But the sea remained silent. Seeing her grief, the gods felt compassion. They transformed the lovers into seabirds, the Halcyon birds. To protect their nest each winter, the gods ordered the winds to fall silent. For 7 days, the violent sea became calm, a brief respite from chaos. Respite means a short break from something difficult, like a deep breath during a long race. During those 7 days, the sea reached perfect equilibrium, a balance between storm and silence. Equilibrium means a state of balance, when 2 opposing forces are equal. And from this myth came a beautiful English word, halcyon. It describes a peaceful and happy time in the past. Think of the halcyon days of your youth, when life was simple and sweet. Now, let's see if you understood the story. Look at the quiz on your screen and pick the correct answer. Let's quickly recap our new vocabulary with context. Halcyon. Use it for your happiest memories, like the halcyon days of summer. Tempest. Not just a storm, but any violent chaos, a tempest of emotion. Respite. A necessary break. We all need a respite from a long work week. Serenity. That deep, quiet peace you find in a garden or a library. Equilibrium, when life feels perfectly balanced, not too much, not too little. In our next story, we explore a word for something that lasts only a moment, like morning mist or a shooting star. The word is ephemeral. Subscribe so you don't miss that mystery.
Now, did you find the 2 mistakes hidden in this story? The first one was a tricky pronunciation. Did you hear how I said the word respite? I said respite, but the correct way to say it is respite. It's a common trap for English learners. But what about the second mistake? A grammar error is still hidden in the story. Did you catch it? I've left the answer in the pinned comment. Go check the comment and tell me if you spotted it.